Okay, fairly straightforward story problems here. On the weekend, 489 people come to the art fair. On Saturday, 511 people come to the fair. On Sunday, how many people come to the fair in all? Again, part total. I'm gonna let you guys solve that one, but you have one part Saturday and one part Sunday. Right here. Wendy uses silver and blue beads to make necklaces to sell. She uses 72 blue beads. She uses 38 more blue beads than silver beads. How many silver beads does she use? Comparing here, so figuring out what beads she has more or less of in the difference. Again, kind of helping you on a couple of these to get you started. She uses 72 blue beads. She uses more blue beads than silver beads, so I would put B here and S here. Okay. Number 3, LeBron uses tiny beads to make bracelets. He buys a package of 250 red beads and 250 white beads. After he makes the bracelets for the fair, he has just 6 beads left. How many beads does he use? So this is a simple 2-step, and we'll do this one together. So I have 2 parts, the 350 red and the 250 white. Missing total, so I'm going to add those two together. 350 plus 250, 0, 0, 1, 1 and 3 is 4, 4 and 2 would be 6. So 600 was the total amount of beads she had. However, she has those 6 left. So I would say 600 minus 6 to figure out how much she used. And for a problem like this, rather than trading to solve it, you probably could just count backwards. But I'm just going to go ahead and trade over here. I have no 1s, but I have no 10s, so I go to my hundreds. Trade the hundreds in for 10 10s, then trade one of those 10s in. Now I have 9 10s and 10 1s. 10 take away 6 is 4. 9 take away nothing is still going to be 9. 5 take away nothing is still going to be 5. So I have the answer here, 594 beads. Now on the other side, and I'll let you work on your own here, you're going to use this chart up here to solve the information. How many people did the artist draw last week? So you would look at people. Well, our children people, yes. Our adults people, yes. So keep that in mind as you're working on those. So I'm going to have you pause now and then come back and see if you got these correct. Don't forget to do the ones on the other side as well. Hi, Bean. Okay, so quickly, here are the answers for the week work for today. We have number 1, 1,000 people. Number 2, 34 silver beads. Again, pause, look at my work if you got those wrong. We did number 3 together. On the other side, we have 230 people, 222 people, 8 people. Again, pause if you need to see if you made a mistake and correct it. Number 7, you could have done a couple different ways. You could have actually done an addition problem, adding up the children and the adults and then comparing. Or you could have just looked at it like I did, where you say, okay, if last week there were more children and this week there were more children, then in all there would have been more children. So you really didn't have to do the math necessarily, because when you look at the information, the children, you had 100s on both week, and you didn't have even 100 adults one time. So there's math for today. Have a great day.